Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JavaScript. Today we are going to learn how to check if a local storage is available in JavaScript or not. So let's have a look on that. If the local storage is not available, then how you can set the values or retrieve that values? That's not possible, right? So first of all, we have to check whether the local storage is available in JavaScript or not. So this is the thing that type.local storage is not equal to undefined. Then you can set the item else local storage is not available. So let's have a look that which it will come up. Okay. So here I will write console.log. Okay, so here it is available and it's not. Okay, it's not available. Okay, just copy this one and just add it over here. It's available. If I go and just retrieve delete all of the stuffs over here, like delete all, let's have a look on that one. So let me reload this one. Okay, so still local storage is there, right? So that means you can check whether the local storage is there, then you can add the rest of the thing like setting up the deleting, removing. Okay, and if it's not available, then you cannot do the local storage stuff into your browser's JavaScript, right? So this is that is the how you can check whether the local storage is available or not. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.